Hi, welcome to the Terra Welding program. Here we learn basic welding to being a certified welder. It is a 2-semester certificate or a 2-year degree program. In the welding classroom, we use a virtual welder for basic welding training for students that then translate into the welding lab for hands-on training. After the completion of the welding program, a student could get a job as a MIG welder, a TIG welder, a shielded metal arc welder. They could also work in maintenance. A student could become a welding engineer. You can become a welding inspector. You could become an instructor after several years of training, and you could become a traveling pipeline worker. Our field is always changing. Although welding hasn't changed over the years, the equipment, the technology is all expanding, and it's exciting to see students learn and to get excited about the field.